Okay, so first you want to open up your bazaart app, and you want to make sure that you're adding a photo from your photo gallery. So the first thing I try to do is erase with the auto tool, meaning like it's going to auto correct it, so it's going to take your photo right out of the background. So let's see if that works. See, that actually didn't work. So what we're going to do is do it manually and press our eraser tool, zoom in, and I like to start from the bottom to erase. So you're going to start erasing from the bottom first. It's better if you outline the edges of the photo. And then you want to zoom in and erase any unnecessary. Okay, so make sure you're doing this part precisely and make sure you're not erasing pieces of the actual product that needs to be displayed. So you're going to continue doing this until you have your whole entire product shown and the entire background erased. So once that's completely erased, you want to open up the web and you want to search for a background. So you can use whatever you want, from white, black, gray, green, galaxy, anything you want. I chose white, so I put in white photo background, and now I'm just scrolling to find which one I want to use. Okay, once I select one, I'm going to set it as my background. So I'm going to hold down the image and press set as background. So after that's complete, I'm just writing down a label of what the item is and who made the item. So in this case, a friend of mine made this item, and I was just showing her how exactly she can spice up her photos. So I'm just making the label and placing it down below, and I'm going to add the price, and that'll be all. So I decided to incorporate both colors that's included into the product. So right now I'm just placing the label, trying to see exactly where I want to put it. So I decided to put it right under the neck so that the line looks more straight and gives it a more appealing effect. And now I'm adding a price using the same font. I'm going to outline it with the same exact colors, and that'll be all.